Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In today's video, I will show you how I make a tulip wreath. Using an 18-inch grapevine, 2 different sizes of tulips, 1 lamb's ear garland, and about 3 glue sticks. Okay, so here I'm showing you how I cut my lamb's ear into picks. They're going to be pretty small. So you will have a total of about 36 picks. Okay, so this is how it will look after you finish cutting your picks. Now you will start gluing your picks into your grapevine and try to glue them as close as possible without leaving big gaps in between. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. After you finish all this process, you're going to start working on your tulips. So now I have about 3 bouquets of the small tulips and 2 of the darker pink tulips. So I like to take off the extra plastic. Let me show you here. And it's just easier for me so it's easier just to glue it to the wreath by removing the extra plastic. So here I'm just starting to glue all the tulips to the wreath and try to make a pattern. Okay, you'll see here what I'm trying to say. So what I did is I did 2 picks of the small light pink tulips, and then I added about 1 or 2 of the darker pink tulips, and so on. around the whole 18-inch grapevine wreath. Okay, so this is the final look. And here is, I want to show you the supplies once again, what I used to make this wreath. Okay. So here are the supplies. There's 3 bouquets of the light pink and 2 of the darker pink. And 1 garland of the lamb's ear. And 1 18-inch grapevine. So I made 2. It was for an order. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.